We're trying to
road, Grandma.
Yeah. We're trying to find a sandwich shop.
I was like, did someone leave something?
I'm calling for room 329 from Karen Smith. I read online that there's a pool here, and I do not see any pool on the map. West Tower. By the escalators. It's the 13th floor. Thank you. Goodbye.
You really sound like Karen there.
So, to Karen Smith. 13th
She's looking at the map.
Yeah, West Tower.
Why would they not put it on there? That's so weird.
There's a pool?
So we have moved the beds apart so that we can hopefully fit an air mattress. And I drove about the 3 hours, so I didn't vlog a lot in the car, but we're gonna find the pool. Grandma's filling up. They have like different unique ones, like white, or like the turquoise ones are pretty down there. Some greens and yellows, or there's mixes. There's like M&M ones and the caramel ones as well. Ooh, purple.
What do you do?
I think you push down. Quick. Yeah.
How cheap? I'm okay.
Okay.
This is like the stuff I like.
Okay.
Aqua. I like that color. I again was driving, but parking was an adventure because like everywhere is so expensive to park, and we drove this time, so that was difficult. But we're going to Rainforest later, and then we're at M&M Factory right now, so we parked at a Marriott, which was in between the two. I missed this last time, but you go around the corner and this is where you actually customize them. I was so confused. So it looks like you do the kiosk and then design it. That's so cool, and you like connect your picture or whatever with it. That's so fun. So we finished up with the Coke store and the M&M store, and I have a longer vlog already posted. This is just a quick 24-hour trip again. So I'm just gonna post about Rainforest Cafe because I haven't been there for a hot minute, so this will be fun. Funny. Oh my gosh. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh.
This is so cool.
Hi. Oh, they were just moving. Oh, it's kind of moving. His hand. It's kind of scary looking. This is so funny. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at this. That guy's making balloon animals. I feel like we have a good seat. Oh boy.
Stella, look at this. Kind of like Jurassic
Oh, do you have the kids menu?
Yeah.
Do you want it?
I'll look at one of these two.
Okay.
How about you look first, because
Wow, this is quite the menu. There's a
Huh?
lot of layers to it. Is this all appetizers, salads, pastas, seafood? There's some drinks. noises. Whoa. Are you scared? This is what it's gonna sound like sleeping by Grandma and Karen.
No, we got the headphones.
Hey, what is that? Is that a jalapeno? Jeez. Here's Kingston's meal. And here is mine. He's making us balloon animals over there. This is so much fun. What was yours called, King?
This is like a shrimp and chicken skillet.
Okay.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah. And mine is the jerk chicken with shrimp pasta.
This is a caramelized.
Oh. Nolan got a kid's pizza, right? Wow. Thank you. That's awesome.
Monkey on the tree.
You want to choose a color for your monkey?
Grandma, what did you get?
Oh, something type of sandwich, banh mi or something.
Ooh.
Coleslaw and
Yeah.
a little bit of salad.
Yum.
Oh yeah.
Got lemonade too.
Ah. Like doing a combo.
He's got his goldfish.
I got my reel on it too.
Right.
Go back on that.
Wow. I got a sword. I can stab the fish. Look at the eyes on it.
Oh,
It's like hypnotized. Funny. Fight off the monkeys. Ooh, they're kind of creepy.
That's like the taste of the island right there.
Yeah, that's what you got. Look at this. There's like a whole gift shop down here. Oh my word. The photo booth too. There's so many animals here. Like a little leopard. That's so funny. Ooh, ew, it's moving. Feed the alligator. Oh, oh, it made a sound. Okay, pay attention, Kingston. It's all gonna change. Look at it now and realize how it's gonna change, okay? Did you see my other video? Yeah. There's a little sphere.